Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the fastest way that you can land clients via Problogger as a freelance writer. Alright, so I made a video about the Problogger platform and how it works and how you can get clients from it. So if you want all those details, then go over to the video and watch it before coming back to watch this one. But in this video I just want to focus on 5 tips. These tips are very simple but are often overlooked. These are basic things that everyone should do, but in your hurry you can just skip them, and then that's the key thing. So just 5 simple tips and we are out of here. So let's get into the video. All right, so this is my candidate dashboard on Problogger. Let me increase it a bit so you can see clearly. Okay, so I've explained in my previous video how to create this dashboard, how to optimize your candidate dashboard to make sure that your profile is complete. I also said you should make sure your profile completion is up to 100% if you can. All right, so the first thing I'm going to say here is act fast. Now, when you see jobs on Problogger, the faster you act on them, the better your chances of landing the job. All right, now jobs can get updated. Okay, they bring out jobs every day as they are available. Look at this job. It was brought out on 16th of May. So the faster you can apply, the better for you. So act fast. And I want to show you how you can do this. All right. So there's something called create job alerts. When you go to your dashboard, on the right bottom corner, you'd see create a job alert. So input the keyword that you want to be alerted for. So if it's content writing, blog writing, whatever it is, input it, then put in your email address and create an email alert. This way, whenever there is a job that contains this keyword, you'll be sent an email. So tip number 2, apply correctly. All right, now people don't know that there are 3 ways that you can apply for jobs on Problogger. 3 different ways. The first one is that you can apply online. Problogger has a platform that lets you apply, inbound. So all you need to do is fill in your details and then write your message. It's in this message that you get to write your cover letter, answer the questions, everything the client wants, you do it in here. And then Problogger does the sending for you. You can make attachments, put in your files, and then send application when you've completed the form filling. So that's the first way that you can apply for jobs on Problogger. The second way that you can apply is by following a link. So some posters, some clients, they've already made a form and they would leave a link to that external form. So all you need to do is click on the link. When you click on apply, and you'd be sent there. Now the third way you can apply on Problogger is that some posters will ask you to send it to a particular email address, just like this one. All right, so these are the 3 ways you can apply. So it is best to follow the posters instructions. When they tell you to apply via a certain means, then you should apply via that means. All right, that is very important, or else your application stands a very high chance of getting disqualified. Number 3, add a previous sample to your submission. All right, this is why I'd advise you to submit or make applications to jobs that you have done before or jobs that you are familiar with. All right, don't just rush and apply just because you want to apply. Make sure you apply for jobs that you are familiar with. If not, just skip and look for something else. Okay, because there's always a space for attachments, and if you can attach documents that you've written before, then you have a better chance of landing the job. So by the time you click here, your files will open, and then you can browse files and find the documents that you want to attach and attach it to validate your submission. Tip number 4, follow application instructions. So every job comes with instructions. Every job, no matter how little they might be, all right, there's always an instruction. So that's why you need to read the instructions carefully, read the guidelines, so that you can know what to do when you're applying for the job. So the final tip I'm going to add here is that you should write a good application. Guys, there are thousands of people bidding for this job, same as you. So don't undersell yourself, all right? Don't do it like you just want to do it. Do it carefully, do it like it matters, and you'd actually see results. All right, most of the times the jobs that I actually put my heart to applying for, I give my personal views, I put in personality, those are the jobs that I end up landing. So I'm going to advise you, when you're applying, then give it your all. Apply fully. Make sure you add some humor, add some personal interest. Let them know that it's a human being applying, and this is not just another automated application. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Please, if you're not subscribed, do well to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.